welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another episode of Gingerbread Fever. This is the Gingerbread Fever series for the month of February. So if you are new to the series, what this is, it is a Valentine theme series. I'll be creating Valentine projects, and as a bonus, I'll be including some cute gingerbread. TYS Creates is going to play along. So I'm going to link her YT channel below as well, so you guys can check out what she created. So also on this video, at the end of the video, I'm going to share the winner from my giveaway. I'm having a giveaway of $25 to your PayPal account, and I will announce that winner at the end of this video. So let me share with you guys some of the products that I use to create my project today. So here are the products that I used. I'm trying to go through them really quickly in order to not take up too much of your time today. So I used this punch, and I was so happy to use this punch. I hadn't used punches in such a long time, and I have a pretty good collection of them. So I was so excited that I was able to use a punch in my project. So this is a Martha Stewart heart border punch, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I love this punch. I used some pom-pom trim, some of this cute stickers. These are stickers by, what is this? American Crafts, I guess. And I picked these up from Tuesday morning. So if you see these, you need to grab them because they are super cute. I used some straws. I used some of these little heart gemstones. Some of these Jolie dimensional stickers. I love these stickers. These are another favorite by Celebrate Wedding. But I use them for my Valentine projects, and I'm running low, so I may have to check to see if they have some more of these. I love those. I use one of these little heart pops that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I love these stickers. These are another favorite of mine by Crepe Paper, and I got them all messed up in the package here, but I love those. And I use some Dollar Tree foam board, and I'll explain when I share my project how I use this. And y'all, this cardstock is the bomb. This is called Mama's Ultra Heavy Base Weight Cardstock, and it weighs 130 pounds. So it's heavier than the 110 that we get from Michael's. And I learned about this cardstock from Jennifer McGuire. She had her video of your must-have products, and she shared this cardstock, and I love it. I use this cardstock to bag the back of my gingerbread so that they can be sturdy. So this is where you can pick it up. So you need to check this out. It's the bomb. I use this paper out of this paper stack by My Mind's Eye, and this is called Hooray. This is a super cute paper pad that I picked up from Tuesday morning. This is the cute paper that I use from that stack. And then I use some of these little cute miniature bows there. Okay, so I'm going to share with you my project that I created today. Okay, you guys, here's my project. I am holding my phone, so please be patient. This is one of those projects where I have to hold my phone to get it in view. So what I created is a Gingerbread Fever carousel. Now, I created this carousel 2 years ago, and I created it in a shabby chic theme. And this project came to mind for the Gingerbread Fever series because I felt like this will be super cute in a gingerbread theme. So it turned out so cute as a gingerbread theme. So the gingerbreads came from an SVG file from Marjorie Ann Designs, and she has cute gingerbread SVGs. I'm going to link her below so you guys can check her out and see if you are interested in purchasing some of her cute SVG files. So I'm just doing a pan, and then we're going to go and I'm going to share with you elements of the carousel. So let me go here at the top and let me turn it around. And if you stay tuned to the end of the video or in the middle ways of the video, I'm going to share with you, because my carousel does turn, and I'm going to share with you what I use to make my carousel have motion. So just keep watching and you'll get all of those details. So here are those stickers that I shared that says sweet. I put that at the top of the carousel, and then I included this cute little pink pom-pom at the top of the carousel. And you can see here the Martha Stewart border punch of the hearts. I just added that here at the top of the carousel, as well as this cute pale pink pom-pom trim. And then I used a tulle little bow right here and used that same miniature bow there in the center. So here's the first one, and that's the little sticker that I used that says Hey Valentine. And then that's the Jolie little hair bow dimensional sticker that I used on her head. And then you can see the accents that I used for her face. And if you guys are interested in a video showing where I'm sorry about that, showing how I do the gingerbread faces, just let me know and I'll try to put together a video for you. And then I used a banner up there at the top, and it came from this sticker set that I picked up from, I forgot to share this one. I picked this one up from Michael's when they were 50% off on the Valentine stickers. So yeah, that's where that banner came from. And this SVG file came with like the candy bar file with it, and I didn't like it so much. So I was working, I had purchased these Hershey bars, and I was going to do it for another project, and I was like, I could just pop her right on top of this Hershey bar. And I love how that turned out. I felt like it just made it cuter, just really fun and whimsical. So I like how that turned out. And she just looks so cute sitting on top of the Hershey bar there. So let's go to the next gingerbread here. And this is the one that made me purchase this file. I thought she was so cute, where she's blowing a bubble with her gum. And I thought this was just precious. And so, yeah, when I saw this one, I was like, okay, I'm purchasing this file. So for this piece right here, at first I had some really pretty glitter paper, and I don't know, it just didn't look right to me. So I just went with the regular cardstock piece here. I think this is about 65-pound weight on this one. And so here's that miniature bow there that I added for her hair. And I just think she's just so cute. I love her. So I also added some little picks in there. I went very light on the embellishments so that I can actually focus on the actual gingerbread. Okay, and then the next gingerbread, you can see her in the far back. It's kind of hard to share her. Let's see if you can see her back there. And what's fun about this that I added, I used the Dollar Tree Heart Lollipop instead of the SVG file that came with it. And again, I think it just looks so cute. I took the Heart Lollipop out of the wrapper because it was just too bulky with the wrapper. So I took it out, and then I added another one of those stickers right there. Just to kind of dress it up a little bit. But she turned out super cute as well. And so moving on to the last gingerbread. She's way back in the back there. And what's fun about her, she actually has some marshmallows, some chocolate dipped marshmallows. And I thought that was cute as well. I added another one of those miniature red bows on her hair. And I used some glitter paper for her little dress. And she turned out super cute. And the other things that I added, of course, are the lights. I was just trying to think about everything that a is in a carousel, and carousel, has lights. So I added these lights that I picked up from Michael's. And then I had some more of these Tootsie Roll Pops in my stash. I kind of went crazy around Christmas time. So I just added some of these little Tootsie Pops, and then some more of these little heart picks that I picked up from, I think, Dollar Tree a long time ago. And so, yeah, so that's my carousel. So now I'm going to come back and I'm going to share with you this, I'm going to come back and I'm going to share with you. Oh, did I share this right here? I don't know. Let me go down here. So this is a flower, little flower embellishment I had in my stash, and I used my favorite little stickers there. Right there is a little layering piece right there on the front. And so, yeah, so this is how my carousel, I kind of had this tucked up like this so that I can share the gingerbread with you. You couldn't hardly see it with that tool hanging down. So I'm going to come back and I'm going to share with you guys the spinning element to the carousel. So here is the carousel in action as it's spinning. I love how this turned out, you guys. I think it turned out super, super, super cute. And so here is the magic to make the carousel turn. Is this 7-inch turntable. It's basically used, to showcase as a personal display. And you can purchase this from Amazon. They have these. Or you can use what is called a Lazy Susan. And but you'll have to spin that manually. So yeah, this is what I use to give the turning or spinning effect to the carousel, and I love it, love it, love it. It would be an awesome baby shower centerpiece as well. The young lady that I was following, that's what she used it for, as a baby shower. And so yeah, it can really be for anything, and I have in my head to create this for a Disney project as well. So make sure you stay tuned for that. So I'm also going to share with you some more tips for creating this carousel. Okay, you guys, the other tip I wanted to share, for the center of the carousel, you can use a paper towel roll that's about 6 inches. But as I was going through my stash, I unrolled some tulle, and look here. This is perfect for the center of your carousel. It measures roughly 6 inches, and look how, you hear that? It is super, super solid. So since I have another one of these, I'm definitely going to create another one, because it's not hard at all, you guys. It looks like it's a lot involved, but it's really, really simple once you get started in doing it. So I hope you guys decide to follow my process video. And if you have some tulle in your stash on a roll like this, this will be awesome to use for the center of your carousel. Another tip for the carousel is sometimes it can be tricky working with these straws, because you can't get them exactly the same length sometimes, especially when you push it down in the foam, and sometimes it can be a little off. So if that happens to you, just use some of this Dollar Tree foam. So just cut a small square, adhere it on the top of the paper towel roll or the little tulle roll until your top sits right. Okay, that's as simple as I can make it. So those are 2 tips that I think if you use, you'll find that that will really help you out. So I hope you guys like my project today, and I'm having a lot of fun creating these gingerbread projects for you. So I'm going to stay tuned, because I'm going to announce the winner here at the end. But I'll see you next time, which will be February the 8th, for another Gingerbread Fever project. And as always, make sure you do something with love and passion.